Hello everyone, you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today is 7th day of my English speaking challenge. As you know guys, these days I am focused on creating solo videos and I have created 6 videos recently and today is 7th day of my English speaking challenge. In last video I talked about my school life and today in this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite teacher. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start talking about my favorite teacher. So as I talked about my school life in the last video, that I chose commerce after passing my 12th, after passing my 10th standard, I decided to go for commerce. And there I found one of the best teachers of my life. I would say I have seen a lot of good teachers. They were really good to me. They helped me a lot to become better as a person, as a student, but one teacher which who was there that I can't compare with anyone else. So my accounting teacher who taught two subjects to us, that accountancy and business studies. So as I took commerce in 12th or 11th standard after 10th, so my subjects were Hindi, English, accountancy, business studies, and economics. So my accountant, he used to teach us two subjects, accountancy and business studies. So accountancy is considered to be one of main subjects of commerce stream. Okay, so he was the one who motivated me a lot to do well in my studies. And he was always just believing in ourselves. And he gave me a hope that I would be able to do well in this stream and I would be able to get good marks. Then I decided to continue with commerce. He was a very nice as a person. And actually, I have never seen such a teacher in my life. And I don't know whether absolutely now I'm not going to study a lot and I'm not going for a lot of higher studies. Whether I'll get an opportunity to have such kind of teacher in my life, I'm not sure about it. But he was a best person. He was a teacher who used to wake up at 4 to wake to just call us so we can just wake up and study, as it was a board for us. If we would say to him that, sir, I want to wake up at 4, so he would come in our hostels and he would just call us and we would be awake and then we would go to school buildings for a studying purpose. And he was available like 24 by 7. If you don't know, if you come across any question which you are not able to understand, then you can go to him anytime and he is going to give you the solution. So this kind of teacher he was really helping to everyone. So super motivated. I would say he used to take classes in the morning at 5:30 for us for the business studies. He would give a lot of notes. He provided a lot of content to us, books, so we can study well and we can perform well. But unfortunately, what happened that I was work I studied accountancy throughout the year, but unfortunately I was not able to score what I wanted. So but I just teacher my teacher was the best because he always believed in me and he always used to say that you don't have to worry, you are going to do well. So he was the only one who gave me a hope to do well in my school life, or especially in 11th and 12th. As I told you in my previous videos, I will put actually that link of the previous video in I button so you can go and watch it. There I talked about my school life, and 11th and 12th 2 years were the golden life, a golden part of my school career, I would say. And the reason was my sir, because he supported me a lot and he gave me a hope that I'm going to do well in my studies. And due to him only, the credit goes to him, because every single day, sometimes when I wouldn't get good marks or I would be demotivated, he would always motivate us that no, it's the part of this journey. You have to do well, you have to study hard, and you should do practice as much as you can, and then sure you are going to do well in your exams. So that this kind of statements he used to give, and he was always supportive to us in any terms, like if you need any help, if you need financial help, if you need something which you need for your studies, for books and medicines as well. Suppose you are sick and you want to go out and you want the medical treatment, he would help you. He just would go along with you. It happened. there were board exams, and I had I had some problem, and I was really tensed about it. That if it would take if something would happen when I would be writing exam, it would be really difficult for me to overcome from that. And then I asked him, and I told him this situation. Then he went together. We went to the doctor, and I got the medicine, and then I was able to perform well in my exams. So it is very difficult to get such kind of teachers in your life, but I'm fortunate enough that I had an opportunity to be his one of his students. And he was amazing motivation wise. The way he used to teach, everybody is going to understand the subject very well, but maybe for some students it was not good. The reason, if you wouldn't do homework, it is going to be really difficult for you to understand accountancy, because it's like the mathematics of commerce subject, where you need to work really hard. You need to practice every single day to understand the questions. You need to go through the examples or many things. So some students were not really interested, and they were not focusing on it. So for them it was really difficult, but for us especially, there were 4 or 5 students who were quite regular with their homework and with their practice. There was a competition that actually there is one of my friends. We used to go together to school building, and we would discuss a lot of things. We like my friend was there, and I studied together. So actually that's what I'm saying. Today I'm talking about one of the best teachers and my favorite teacher, so my accounting sir. So he was a wonderful person, I would say. That an amazing teacher. I've never seen such a teacher who would sacrifice his sleep to teach us. Or he would sleep sometimes at 12 and he would wake up again at 4 and come to the hostel and wake us up like that to go and study something. So that kind of person he was. So amazing person, 24 by 7 available for students. Anytime you can go and you can ask your doubts and he's ready to solve. So great help in my studies. I can never forget his contribution in my career, in my life, or in my studies, especially. He was the one who gave the show, who encouraged me to do well. And I'm confident enough, and a lot of credit goes to him, because he was the only one who used to boost confidence. And we were really, actually, I would say we had a very good relationship. There were 4 or 5 students of my class, and he would reciprocate in a very good manner. We would, after the class also, we would discuss a lot of things, right? So that was there. And for a few years he was our housemaster as well. As I told you in the previous video, that I studied in a hostel, and there is a culture of having housemaster. So he was our housemaster as well. So every night or every morning he would come, he would take attendance, he would ask about the studies or the status of his studies, that how's your study going, and how are you doing these days. So he was so much concerned about the students. Sometimes he was not able to give time to his family, and he wasn't giving a lot of time to his personal life, but moreover he was dedicated to students. He gave he gave his 120% for us, just life, and for just studies. So that's what I would say. It is rare. He was a rare soul, that's what I can say. It's really difficult to find such people, the such teachers especially, who are ready to sacrifice their personal time, and they are ready to teach you whenever you want. So if teachers are like that, I'm sure that students can do wonders. And even though if you are someone who is not able to believe in yourself, but the my sir, like accounting sir, if he would be there, he would make you believe that you can do wonders, and you would be able to become a topper. So that happened with me. So I can't forget him ever in my life, because the way he gave us that confidence, that is unimaginable. That's what I can say. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Many, many thanks to you guys for watching these videos and for showing your support. And I also request you people, you can take a very simple topics. Nowadays, I'm not taking heavy topics or hi-fi topics. These are very simple topics related to your life. So you can choose one small topic and start speaking on it. You can speak for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or 2 minutes is also okay. That is going to boost your confidence. This is a great skill. Like if you learn how to speak in front of camera, if you start expressing your thoughts without hesitation and without fear, this is an amazing skill. It will help you to become a great communicator in future. So keep practicing. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.